It's coming out, but we don't want to go too far. There we go. He's going everywhere with it. Okay, that's it. Whoa. What is up, YouTube? How's everybody out there doing today? I hope you guys are having a fabulous freaking day. We're hopefully going to have some fun with Hammer Down Motorsports, Steve Fast over there. He called me up and he's like, hey man, I need your help. I need a big ass dually to get this tree out of the woods, which is over there. And I was like, dude, I got you, man. I got you. And luckily I have this Badlands 4-inch wide 8-foot rope tree stump thingy, 30,000 pounds. There he is over there, ready to rock and roll. And we're going to show you the tree here in a minute. But he's got some D-rings. What kind of rope you got there, buddy?
We got the Fiery Red from Vic Off-Road.
Oh, they make winches actually.
Yeah.
Yeah, I've seen their winches.
We're gonna give this thing a go today.
Yeah, basically
it looks like a solid piece of gear. So.
But it stretches, right?
Yeah, it's kinetic. So
okay.
Basically, what this will do is just kind of slingshot your vehicle out. So if you're suction down or whatever,
just
kind of give it a good pull, and this will stretch and get you out of where you're at.
Nice. We're going to utilize that with the Bulletproof Hitch, because obviously that's a badass piece of machine right there. He's got one too on his Rebel. Definitely got a lot of use out of Bulletproof Hitches.
Oh yeah.
A lot of use. Love my Bulletproof Hitch. How do you feel about your Bulletproof Hitch?
I absolutely love my Bulletproof Hitch. This is good for, I think this one's 22,000 pounds.
Yeah, I think mine's like 32,000 pounds or something. I got the big boy hitch.
For a half ton, but yeah, when you
it
pull
still
this
works,
thing,
man.
Take this thing out of the truck and hold it like it is heavy.
Oh yeah, I think mine weighed in like 100 pounds or something. Yeah. I'm like, holy shit, 100 pounds? All right, you want to show them this tree we're going to try to get out of here with a dually?
Let's do it.
Let's do it. Maybe we'll see some mud mouth action at the end of this video. So don't forget to continue watching and don't click off.
Yeah,
you definitely might want to see some mud mouse footage. Alrighty, so we have this tree. I'm going to show it to you guys. Right there it is. it's that one right there.
Yep.
Comment below. Let me know if you think it'll come out.
It'll come out one way or another.
Yeah.
We'll break stuff trying.
Well, it's what? What?
I don't know. We're not gonna break the rope. At least I hope.
We're not. Well, we're gonna find out.
I guess so. We're gonna try, test, and true this thing.
Yeah. Alrighty. Let's see if we can break some shit today in this video. I'm not gonna smash into anything. Stop it.
It's gonna happen.
Unbelievable. So we got our tow rope here, our kinetic rope, hooked up to our pinto hitch. It's not going anywhere, so that's good to go. I bought this Badlands 8-foot length 4-inch thick tree because we don't want to hit the tree. We don't want to hurt the tree. That poor tree, we don't want to hurt that thing. So we're going to wrap that around the tree and then wrap a D-ring around that, hook it to that, and yank this sucker out of here.
Yeah, and we got firewood.
And we got firewood.
We're gonna cook another turkey with Andy.
Yes, we are definitely gonna cook. I will cook a turkey in fucking July. I don't even care, dude.
We got some treated wood over there.
I make a good. No, come on. I did that one year. I don't want to talk about it anymore. I don't want to talk about it. Oh, that's a damn D. Oh,
yes, sir.
You ain't messing around. That's a hell of a D-ring, buddy.
Well, that's made right there.
Canada.
The Great White North.
Back in the Canada area.
Crosby.
Oh, nice. All right, well, let's get this thing hooked up and see what we got.
All right.
No redneck video is complete without a Voodoo Ranger IPA.
Sponsored ad.
What's up?
I left that shackle on your bumper.
Yeah, I was wondering why you left it here. Hi, YouTube. You can demonetize me now. Ah, shadow ban.
Gloves.
You got it, buddy. I got faith in you. Dude, that thing is like out of the ground. Look how big this tree is, guys. Oh my God. Is that gonna reach? I'm gonna have to back up some more, maybe. There we go. All right, let's get this thing hooked up. Can I put it in low?
Go low if you want to.
Alright.
See what happens.
Put a little slack on it.
Give her.
Let me know when there's slacking.
Well, you're almost tight now.
Am I tight right now?
Yeah.
Alright. Ready?
Give her. It's coming, it's coming. Okay, stop. Now back up and put some slack into it, and then just take a run at it.
I thought it pulled a little bit.
Yeah,
Did it move?
it moved.
No shit.
Yeah, give it.
First gear, dear.
There you go. Just give her a little pull there, just straight at it. There you go. Whoa.
It's gonna come out, dude.
Oh, it's coming out one way or another. See, we can see that thing stretch. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at that.
I love this strap.
Pull it back. You can see that thing's got a little bit of length to it once you get it pulled straight.
You actually see it like move.
It looked like it, yeah.
Dude, it's pulling it out. You ready?
Go for it. All right. We might be running into the next tree, but we'll take that one too. RIP the grass, but that's all right. It grows back. Give it a good run. Back up all the way to the tree.
Really?
Yeah. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. No, you're good. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Right there. Now just give her.
Good?
Give her.
Full send it.
Full send it. The whole thing wants to come now. Do it again. Just keep coming. Just go all the way back and give her again.
I thought we were run over the road.
Nah, you'll be fine.
Ready?
Yep. Oh yeah! Look at that. You're good.
One more pull.
Let's do one more little one and we're good. That's about as where we need it so we can cut it up.
That's out of your yard, but.
Yeah, well.
Alright, you ready?
One more time. Let's get it.
It's gonna come out.
It's coming out, but we don't want to go too far. There we go. He's going everywhere with it. Okay, that's it. Whoa. Woo. All right, well, I guess that's where it's gonna be until I cut it up now. Our pile's so much smaller. This is gonna be a whole lot easier to build the mud pit now.
Did I get it?
I think you got it. You might have got it.
No, that thing pulls no joke.
Definitely.
Dude, that is no freaking joke.
And you can
dude.
see how wet it was, like how limited
Yeah.
traction you had, and just that stretch that rope
Four
had.
times?
Yeah.
4 or 5 pulls, and I just pulled a whole freaking tree out.
The slingshot action is absolutely awesome.
Yo, that's crazy.
And I definitely recommend this tow strap for any tree removal and stuck vehicles.
Yeah, just make sure you have a good tree hugger strap, and definitely make sure you have a good hitch.
Absolutely.
It's all got to work together.
It's all a full package.
Yeah, that's badass, dude.
I like it.
I like that shit.
Now we got firewood.
Dude, for real. This rope is pretty tight.
That's some banjo music.
Yo, for real. It did a good job. It definitely did a good job. The truck definitely did a good job too. I wasn't expecting to pull that tree out like that.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna lie.
I had faith. I knew he was gonna do the job.
Dude, I'm be honest with you, and as you guys can see in the video, when you were like back up and then just yanking, I was like, he's nuts. I'm gonna rip my whole bumper off.
Nah, you'll be all right.
My whole beautiful move bumper is gonna go bye-bye. Even though it's not hooked up to it,
that,
but
you can pull something else out, you know.
well, now I know I can do it. I just gotta get me one of these straps now.
Next time we'll pull a tree that's still on the ground out.
No.
Come on.
No.
It'll be fun.
I'll break my truck.
You can try.
I can try to break my truck.
It's not
Thanks, buddy.
breaking it. It's finding the weak.
Oh, that's your dead battery.
No.
You need a battery? I got a battery.
I might.
All right, guys, so we got to get a nice little thumbnail here of the good old Dirty Max. Got to get our thumbnail with our tree in the background here. There we go. She did it. She did it. And this ain't no little tree either, guys. You probably think it's like some small ass tree. And I gotta say, these Treadwright tires are doing phenomenal with traction. Now, yes, I did have to have it in 4-wheel drive, but it still worked really, 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 really good. You can see the tension on this thing. I gotta get me one. I gotta get me one of these. I need one. Add it to my generator hauling storm truck collection. But as you can see, number one, even though I bought the Badlands strap, like that thing held up good. That did the job. Dude, look at the other trunk. There's 2 trunks.
Is that 2 trees?
Dude, there's 2 trees. Look.
2 trunks? Yeah, one came along for the ride. How about it?
Look at that shit, dude. Oh my God. He's actually prepping a mud mouse track here that he can run his F-150 with no doors around and have some fun, which I think we're gonna go do now.
And after a big mud storm or a big rainstorm, we
yeah,
have lots of mud.
Lots of mud.
Area, and then we can get Andy to take his truck through it.
No.
Yes.
No. I'm good. I just towed trees out that probably weigh 1,000 pounds. Maybe. I don't know what that thing weighs.
It should be able to go through on its own, no problem.
Not through that, dude. I get stuck. I'll be breaking stuff.
Wait till I manicure it, make it all real nice.
Oh, okay. You're gonna manicure it?
Yeah, it's gonna be all nice big mud hole.
Nice, nice. Good for me. Good for me.
Good for us.
Let's get the mud mass out. Let's have some fun.
Let's see what we can go through.
So we have an issue that needs a tissue. My tree strap, which I cherish very dearly, is stuck. That looks like a fresh break, actually. It's stuck in between the limb right there. So Steve went and got the mud mouse. We're gonna have the mud mouse come down here, and he's gonna yank it out of that tree branch so I can get my strap back, my tree strap, because it's very important to me. I need it. There it is. There she goes. It used to be a beautiful F-150. Yo, you're taking the tree with you. Oh shit. We're going for gold, boys. We're going for gold. Give her a, she came off again. Oh, it's off. It's off. Now I can get my tree strap back, which is a good thing. It was stuck. It's not stuck anymore.
It's even easier to cut this tree up now because you have the one off of the other one.
We can literally de-branch this thing with that Badlands tree strap. Just keep going back and forth.
At this point.
There you go. Deforestry. There he goes. Oh shit, oh my God, we got wood flying. I hear it. He truly does not care about that F-150. With a flat tire, by the way. With a freaking flat tire. Now, you know what? It's off the rim now. I was getting a tad bit worried there.
Why?
Because it didn't want to come out at 4-0 low.
Oh no. You didn't have it in neutral?
I did. I put it in neutral, and then it would go to 4-0 high, but it wouldn't go to 4-0 low, or 4-0 or 2-0 high.
Is that a factory encoder motor or a regional?
Yeah, probably.
Yeah.
But I'm like, oh my God, what's going on here? And then finally, as I was backing up, I put it in 4-wheel drive high, and it was doing fine. And I was like, all right, I'll press 2-wheel high just in case.
And then it went.
And it finally went into 2-wheel drive.
Oh, okay.
I was getting a little freaked out. I was like, great, we broke something. Awesome. Just another thing I need. Broken parts. Yay.
It's all good.
Yeah, until I'm leaving it here. You're taking me home.
I always wanted one of these.
Yeah. Well, the good old Dirty Max did a good job.
Definitely.
And the mouse did a good job too, actually.
Mouse did great. The tire gave up.
Yeah, the tire gave up. Mouse always does great.
That tire definitely was overdue for replacements.
Definitely. Definitely needed, yeah. We're going to try to get you set up here, buddy, with some Treadwrights.
I hope so, yeah.
We're going to try to help you out here.
But Mud Mouse has always been fairly reliable, so we're going to see how much more testing and redneck science we can do with this thing.
Redneck science, I love that. Obviously,
Wes
you're
the
doing
chaplain,
you're
he's
doing
the king of
some.
it, so we'll see.
You're doing some testing.
Well, we do have a test facility. That used to be a lot bigger. We used to be able to get full Raptor air with the F-150.
I remember those days.
I think we're going to need to get the skid steer out here and just kind of make a little lip or something like that so we can get that good traction launch. But all in good time.
If you guys want to see more videos like this, please comment below. Let us know. Don't forget to follow Hammer Down Motorsports, obviously. He's going to have a lot of videos like this on his channel, too. Plus, obviously, reviews and stuff of that nature. And who wants to see a badass Dodge with a V10 swap?
Well, it's a V10 right now, but we might swap it to something else.
Maybe.
Maybe.
I'm actually interested in seeing this truck be done.
Me too.
To be honest.
It's just been, it's been a little bit of work. I did those cab corners. Those were totally rotted out.
Yeah, mine are doing okay.
You can't even tell.
You know why I have rotted out cab corners and rockers?
For the Pennsylvania?
No, that's not why. It's because when the snow and the ice and the water get in there, they have someplace to get out of.
There you
That
go.
way they don't sit in there. I'm helping the rain evacuate.
Yeah, you don't want to take that salt. It's expensive. You
No,
back
I want to
down
put that
the road
back
with
down on the
salt.
ground for all the Priuses.
Exactly. Rust those things right out.
Rust them out. And the Teslas. All the Teslas, too.
Aren't they made of plastic?
We'll figure it out later.
Plastic's made of oil, people. Just
Yeah,
so you know.
yeah. All right, guys, that is the end of the video. I hope you freaking had a good time just watching the Duramax do some work, watching the Mud Mouse do some work as well, and obviously enjoying some great time with Hammer Down Motorsports here.
Absolutely.
Please do me a huge favor. Go follow him. Link in the description below somewhere. It'll be somewhere or right here maybe somewhere. But go follow him, guys. He has all kinds of interesting videos coming out as well that I'm sure you guys will be interested in seeing. But other than that, guys, like usual, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Check me out on Instagram at Diablo Formula Racing, and deuces, guys.